Item number 1 from the review for exam 1 wants us to identify each of these 4 equations as linear or nonlinear and to give the order of each. Remember that to identify them as linear or nonlinear, you're looking at the y terms and the derivatives of y's. All y terms and all derivative of y's should be linear in form. So let's look at these first for linearity. On this first equation, the derivative is, this first term is linear, is equal to 1 plus y squared. Now this y squared term is quadratic, and so this is not linear. This is non-linear. Once we have one nonlinear term, then the entire equation is nonlinear. On this second equation, when we're looking for linearity, we're looking at just the y's and the y derivatives. This y with the 5 in parentheses, this means the 5th derivative of y. And that the x terms are considered constants in terms of linearity. So this is a linear term. The second term is also linear. This third term is linear. And the fourth term, here we have the natural log of y. The natural log of y is not linear. So again, this is not linear. On the third equation, these cosines and sines, because they're functions of x, they don't really affect our equation as far as linearity. This first term is linear. On the right side of the equation, we have a y term and then a constant term. All of these in terms of y are linear. So C is linear. And on D, this second derivative term is okay, but this first derivative term, because it's raised to the third power, that's not linear. Even if it weren't raised to the third power, because you have this derivative term multiplied by y, that would also make it nonlinear. Okay. Now let's go back and look at the order. The order is is talking about the derivative, and it's the highest derivative in the equation. On A, we have a first derivative term, and so this is first order. On B, we have a fifth derivative term, a second derivative term, a first derivative term, then a y term. The highest derivative is the fifth. This is a fifth order ODE. On C, we have a first order, and that's my only derivative that I have. And so this is first order. On D, I have a second order, and I have a first order term. Second order is higher. This one's second order.